Hi everyone, this is Kasim again with yet another video. So today I'm going to change my number plate to a European style. So why I'm doing that? Because I have an old style and in service NSW I have an option that I can upgrade the same number with a new style for just an additional cost of $429. So I have ordered this new number plate with the dimensions of 520 mm into 110 mm. So that's what I did. I have received them on last Friday. So while I was ordering this one, I already ordered this same number plate holder with same dimensions from Germany. So I received these today and now I'm going to install this on my car. Once I've done that, I have to send those old number plates back to service NSW. Currently, I have this old number plate with a cover. It has two U pins on the top and two U pins below. So I'm going to remove this now. Now I'll remove this U pin, the two above and two below. So I'm removing this one now. Removing the second one. Now I've removed the two above U pins, as you can see, like this, and now I'll remove the below two as well. Now I'm removing the last one. I've already got three. That's it. It seems there's a double tape beneath this also, so I have to take it slowly, otherwise this plate can break. So it's slowly coming out, and yes, that's the double tape I was talking about. So here it is. Now with this screwdriver, these are only two screws which I have to remove. And here it goes. Cleaning this a little bit because you don't get the opportunity to clean this one every other day. Since it is clean now, so I need to see where is the center, and then I have to screw them where it is more feasible. So there was a situation that my video capture was timed out and my remote was only taking pictures. So I have to do a voiceover again. So here it is. So after I installed the number plate holder, I had to level the number plate holder and I had to center it with the Audi rings above. So once that was done, I inserted the plate, and there's a small lining below that I have to click 4 times to make the number plate settle on its red rests. So it was a perfect fit in the number plate holder. Look how cool it is looking now. So the front end is done as well. It is centered and it is leveled. So it's looking beautiful like it is looking at the rear. Now looking from behind with all the lights on, look how beautiful it's looking. So this German manufacturer was claiming that the red rests will not allow it to vibrate. So let's do an engine run test. So I don't hear any vibration. It's only the engine sound. So it's all looking good. Let's look at the front. So no vibration at all. It's only the engine sound or it is exhaust sound. That's it. Now showing you the car around with all the doors open, what I did yesterday with these puddle lights, and now today with the number plates. Now I'll give you a brief demo how I ordered the number plates and then how I ordered the number plate holder from Amazon. So let's type European number plates. So the first link, I have to click this one. So it is order special number plates. So there's an option replace or change number plates. So here is an option, you can get a restyle or order a new plate. So I went into get a restyle. So this is the link, restyle, same content, different style. Click on this one, it will go to the myplates.com.au, and in this one you have to put the car, and I can put my existing number plate, and then press continue. Here you can see different options, but I'm interested in the European style. So let's go below. So here we have the European section, but it is not showing all options, so I have to press view all in this range. I guess it is the below one. Yeah, it is the platinum euro range. And then euro range. So in this euro range, I have to do the view all in this range. And the one I like is the euro icon Southern Cross Black. That's the extra long one. If I click this, so it shows you the number plate and its dimensions for the front and back. So that's how you have to select the euro number plates or any other style for that matter. And after that, you have to add this in the order and make your payment and delivery. So you can either collect it from service NSW or you can opt to deliver it at home. So to deliver it at home, the Australia Post guy will come at your home and he will have a look at your ID card and they will take your signature. So an ID check is required. So after this is done, let's go to the Amazon. So once we go to the Amazon, I can go to my orders, which I already placed. So my order was this one. So for this is delivered today, and one side is $58.10. So I ordered two for front and back. So if I go to the details of this one, so it is coming from Germany. So you can see the Audi Sport GmbH. So GmbH is all German ones. So here it is coming 6170 now. And if I go to the details of this one, measurements. So this one is 11 into 52. So 11 is the length. I think it is opposite. 11 is the 11 is the length and 52 is the width. So that's the correct one. So it is the same one that I showed you on the service NSW site. So all you have to do is make this quantity as 2 and just add to cart and deliver it to your home. And that's it. So with this one, I'll take your leave and do subscribe to my channel and like this video.